At the break of dawn, the Great Wall of China winds across the mountains like a colossal stone dragon, its ancient stones glowing gold under the first light of day, a silent witness to over 2,000 years of history. The Great Wall stretches an astonishing 21,196 kilometers, more than half the circumference of the Earth, winding through mountains, deserts, and plains. Over centuries, the wall expanded through dynasties, from early earthworks of the warring states to the grand brick fortifications of the Ming, growing longer with each emperor's vision of defense. In the imperial court, the emperor issues a decree. A wall shall rise across the land to protect the kingdom from northern invaders. In remote quarries, thousands of laborers cut stone blocks by hand. The sound of chisels and hammers echoed across the mountains as the raw material for the wall was carved from the earth. Huge stone blocks were dragged across rough terrain by endless lines of workers and oxen. The journey was slow, harsh, and exhausting, yet vital to feed the growing wall. In bustling work sites, laborers compacted layers of earth using wooden tampers. This traditional technique created the strong foundation that would support the massive wall for centuries. Skilled teams of laborers worked in unison, placing stones and bricks with precision. Every block added not only strength, but a testament to human coordination and discipline. The toil was relentless. Faces streaked with sweat and grime, hands calloused from endless labor. Each worker a silent witness to the immense human cost of the Great Wall. Atop the watchtowers, officers and soldiers scanned the horizon. The Great Wall was not just a monument of stone, but a vigilant guardian of the empire. From the northern steppes, tribal warriors advanced toward the empire's borders. The wall stood as the first line of defense, its towers watching for any sign of invasion. When sections of the wall were damaged, workers and soldiers acted swiftly together, repairing the broken parts while keeping watch. The Great Wall was a living defense, constantly maintained to protect the empire. To build such a monumental wall, skilled craftsmen fired bricks in large kilns. The thick smoke and glowing heat of the furnaces reveal the advanced techniques and dedication behind each brick. From the heights, the Great Wall stretches endlessly across mountains and valleys. Each stone, each brick tells the story of relentless labor and the ambition of an empire. Among the countless laborers, some paid the ultimate price. Simple burials marked their passing, a silent testament to the human cost of building the Great Wall. Watchtowers sent smoke signals across the mountains, creating a chain of alerts. This early warning system allowed distant garrisons to prepare for approaching threats. Mounted patrols rode along the wall, keeping watch over the vast borderlands. The Great Wall was both a barrier and a means of control, ensuring the safety and stability of the empire. Through its gates and passes, merchants and caravans traveled, exchanging goods and ideas. The Great Wall was not only a defense, but also a conduit for commerce and cultural connection. Through snow and biting wind, laborers continued their relentless work. The Great Wall was built year-round, a testament to human perseverance and dedication. Inside the wall, layers of tamped earth, stones, and bricks formed a robust structure. This ingenious engineering allowed the Great Wall to withstand centuries of natural and human challenges. Today, the Great Wall draws visitors from around the world. Walking its ancient stones, people connect with centuries of history, labor, and human ambition. Today, conservation teams work to preserve and restore the Great Wall. Modern techniques protect this monumental heritage, ensuring that future generations can witness its grandeur. Close-up views reveal the intricate textures of bricks and mortar. The durability of these materials ensured the Great Wall could endure centuries of wear and weather. From above, the Great Wall stretches endlessly across mountains and valleys, a breathtaking testament to human ambition and engineering.